Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. I will show you how to make one of the most strangest projects I have ever made, and it is one of the most pointless, fun and interesting Python projects. We will be making a complement generator. I know the name sounds boring, so comment what you think we should call this project. Now sit back, relax and grab your popcorn and let's get started. Before we code, we need to make sure we have everything we need installed. For this project, I will go to Command Prompt, press Windows button on your keyboard or click the Windows button on your taskbar, then search for Command Prompt. Once Command Prompt is open, type pip install Colorama in your Command Prompt. Please note that I am presuming you have Python installed. For me, it says I already have it installed. To check if it is installed, the way I do it is type pip list. It will then show you all the Python packages that are installed. We can finally start coding now. First, let's start by adding our imports. Now let's add some lists. The variable in the first list is adjectives, in the other, the variable is noun. Now let's make and define the function. This basically decides what the code should do. Let's speed things up. Time to test the code. This is always scary when you test a code for the first time. I might have made little error. Let's read this error first. This error is interesting. It is telling us that in line 28 there is some form of type error. Let's check the code. That was easy to spot. Line 28 was affected due to line 23 not being in the correct spot. It should be vertically inlined with the if and else. Wait, don't leave. I have one more thing to tell you. You should join my Discord server. It has just reached 300 members. The link is in the description below.